All right, let's talk about 745 to 747. This problem coincides with 745. And you were given this circle and asked to find the ordered pair for point P. And this goes right back to what we talked about the last few days with that screamer ride, where if you drop a perpendicular line and you look at the points here to find the blue coordinate or your y coordinate, that's just doing the sine of 34 degrees. To find the x coordinate, you'll just have to do the cosine of 34 degrees. So there's two ways you could write that. You could write that as literally the the cosine of, let me make this a little bit larger, cosine of 34 degrees, and then sine of 34 degrees. Or you could type that into your calculator and get a decimal approximation. This is going to give you an exact value. I always like exact values, but if you wanted to go ahead and type it into your calculator, that's fine as well. And if you do, those are the ordered pairs that you would then get. Okay, let's try 746. So this is much like 745. Again, thinking about, your horizontal component versus your vertical component are directly related to cosine of theta and sine of theta. So if I want to write the ordered pair for Q, I can write it as the cosine of theta and the sine of theta, and it's that easy. Whatever theta is, we would take the sine and cosine of it, and that would give us our ordered pair. So then finally, 747, what can the sine value tell you about a point on a circle? It can tell you the y coordinate of a point on a circle. And then what can a cosine tell you? Well, that can tell you the the x coordinate of that point.